Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds and ng. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the sound in the word Sam. Sam, Sam. Now the sound in the word sang. Sang, sang. Now I will use them both in a sentence. Was that Sam who sang? Was that Sam who sang? Was that Sam who sang? Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!